Hello, my dear children. Hope you are fine and safe. Children, today we'll continue with the chapter number 13, that is festivals and community celebrations. First of all, we learned that we celebrate many festivals, and children, we wait for these festivals. Whenever these festivals comes, we buy new clothes, we make sweets, and we distribute it to our neighbors and also to our relatives. Apart from these festivals, children, we also celebrate many occasions like wedding and wedding anniversaries, birthdays, right? Children, after that we learned about the national festivals. Children, the national festivals are celebrated throughout the country by the entire nation, right? And there are three main national festivals of India: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Children, we have already covered these three festivals, right? Children, then next we learnt about the religious festivals. Children, people of many religions, they live in India and they celebrate festivals of their particular religion. Okay, so these festivals, those festivals are called religious festivals. Okay, now children, अभी हमने कुछ religious festivals cover कर चुके हैं. दिवाली, होली, ईद, then other festivals as well like Mahavir Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी, right? So अभी हमने कुछ festivals, religious festivals already cover कर चुके हैं. आज हम कुछ और religious festivals के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Children, Ganesh Chaturthi. Children, this festival is mainly celebrated in Maharashtra. Okay, and it is celebrated to mark the birthday of Lord Ganesh or Ganpati. Okay, लॉर्ड गणेश और गणपति, इनका जो सर क्या है, इनका सर एक एलिफेंट की तरह है. दैट इज वाई ही इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द एलिफेंट हेडेड. ओके, नाउ चिल्ड्रन, ही इज द गॉड ऑफ विजडम. ओके, विजडम मीन्स दैट पर्सन हु हैव everything, who have the knowledge of everything, the experience of everything. So Ganesh or Ganpati, Lord Ganesh or Ganpati is called the god of wisdom. He have the knowledge of everything in the entire world. Okay, now children, on Ganesh Chaturthi, huge idols of Ganpati are installed in huge tents, and these tents are called pandals, and at homes as well. Okay, people install the idol of Ganpati at home as well. Okay, then children, next festival which we will learn about is Guru Purab. Children, the birthday of the Sikh Gurus are celebrated as Guru Purab. Okay, and on this day people, they go to Gurudwaras and they pray for their Gurus. Now children, the Sikh have 10 Gurus. Okay, including Guru Nanak Dev, who was the founder of the Sikh religion. This is a very important GK question, children, that the Sikh, they have 10 Gurus, including the Guru Nanak Dev. And the Guru Nanak Dev, he was the founder of the Sikh religion. Now children, on Guru Purab, all Gurudwaras, they provide free meals, okay, free food or langar to everyone. Okay, then children, next festival is Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th December all over the world, and it is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. You can see in the picture, this is the picture of Lord Jesus Christ. Children, on this day people decorate Christmas trees in their homes with shining balls, bulbs and bells. And children, they also put a star on the Christmas tree and on the front door of the house. What else do they do on Christmas? They go to church and they exchange gifts with their relatives and neighbors on this occasion. Okay, so बच्चों, हमने अभी गणेश चतुर्थी के बारे में पढ़ा, उसके बाद गुरुपूरब एंड देन क्रिसमस. Children, now we will learn about the harvest festivals. Okay, children, harvest is an important activity in our country. Harvest is the time when a crop, ठीक है, when a crop that has been sown earlier is ready for reaping. ठीक है, जो क्रॉप पहले लगाया गया था बच्चों, अब वो ग्रो हो गया है और वो काटने के लिए रेडी हो गया है. तो वो जो टाइम है जब सारे क्रॉप्स को काटा जाता है वो कहा जाता है हार्वेस्ट. ओके, दैट टाइम इज द हार्वेस्ट टाइम. And the festival celebrated during that time is the harvest festivals. Okay, so you see, third point, festivals celebrated during the time of harvest is called harvest festivals. Now children, the harvest festivals, they also marks the change of season. Okay, and these festivals are known by different names and they are celebrated in different ways across the country. ठीक है, हर जगह अलग अलग नाम है हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स के, हर स्टेट में. लाइक पोंगल, इट इज द हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ तमिलनाडु. ओके, एंड चिल्ड्रन, ऑन दिस डे काउज आर फेड विथ पोंगल राइस. एक तरह का राइस है जो काउस को खिलाया जाता है. यू कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, दिस मैन इज फीडिंग द काउ. चिल्ड्रन, द सन गॉड, ओके, सूर्य देवता की भी पूजा होती है. द सन गॉड इज ऑल्सो वर्शिप्ड. चिल्ड्रन, इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड फॉर 3 days and it is one of the most important festivals of Tamil Nadu. Next is Onam. Children, it is the harvest festival of Kerala. Okay, it is the harvest festival of which place? Kerala. It is a very colorful festival. और बच्चों, ओनम में बोट रेसेस होते हैं. ठीक है, बोट के रेसेस. देन चिल्ड्रन, एलिफेंट्स आर ऑल्सो फुली डेकोरेटेड एंड देयर प्रोसेशंस, ओके, आर टेकन आउट ऑन द स्ट्रीट. एक एक करके सारे एलिफेंट्स को स्ट्रीट पे लाया जाता है और वो सारे चलते हैं. ठीक है. देन चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट इज बिहू. इट इज द हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ आसाम. चिल्ड्रन, इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. Okay, it is celebrated in which month? In April. Children, buffalo fighting, it is one of the main attractions of this festival. Okay. Then children, the next and the last harvest festival is Baisakhi. Children, it is the harvest festival of Punjab and Haryana. It is celebrated on 13th of April every year. ठीक है, ये कहाँ का हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है? पंजाब और हरियाणा. और ये हर साल 13 अप्रैल को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. चिल्ड्रन, इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड विथ ग्रेट जॉय एंड पीपल ऑन बैसाखी दे वेयर ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथ्स एंड दे परफॉर्म ट्रेडिशनल डांस like the bhangra and the gidda. You can see these men and women, they are performing bhangra and gidda. Children, festivals like Teej and Chhat are also celebrated with great joy and these are also the harvest festivals. ठीक है, तो बच्चों आज हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? आज हमने पहले कुछ रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स पढ़े. कौन कौन से? गणेश चतुर्थी, गुरुपूरब, then Christmas. Then children, we learned about the harvest festivals. The harvest festivals are those festivals which are celebrated at the time of harvest. Okay, and the festivals which we covered in harvest festivals are Pongal, which is a festival of Tamil Nadu, then Onam, which is a harvest festival of Kerala, then Bihu, which is a harvest festival of Assam and it is celebrated in the month of April, and then we covered Baisakhi, which is a harvest festival of Punjab and Haryana. It is celebrated on 13th of April every year. Okay. Now children, if anyone have any doubt related to this chapter, you can call me up between 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay children. Okay. All of you, please do your work on time. Okay, and take care of yourself, children. Okay, children, bye.